It's me again, Francesca from Vital Energy. Today I have a travel day full of surprises for you. For example, do you want to see what the scenery from the movie Avatar looks like in real life? And do you want to know if I spotted any clues about traditional Chinese medicine during this post-conference tour day? Then stay tuned.
No climbing, I don't think so.
Oh, what a pity! We were supposed to see one of the most beautiful nature reserves in the world. But well, nature is nature. There's nothing you can do against it. And obviously, that includes the weather as well. There's absolutely nothing you can do. Because of the fog, we couldn't see a thing. I also couldn't find any T-SIM clues either. Or did your trained eye spot anything? Let me know down in the comments. Well, on the bright side, there was plenty to see at the Fox Ferry show. Despite the terrible weather, we sat there in our chairs watching the spectacle. But let me tell you one thing. I was totally blown away. So if you ever get the chance to see a show like the Fairy Fox show or any other traditional Chinese show, then please do it. It's absolutely worth your time. I was so impressed by how the scenery and the dancers become one, and especially how they used the scenery itself. I really have to mention this. Hold on. They actually installed spotlights halfway up the mountain and turned them on during the show, just at the right moment. So, yes, they really lit up half the mountain just for the show. Completely insane. And crazy is also the outstanding discipline of Chinese performers. It was pretty cold and rainy, and they were dancing outside in relatively light clothing and non-stop. And imagine, they didn't even slip in the obviously wet underground. Unbelievable. I don't know how it is where you come from, but in Switzerland, a show in that weather would definitely be cancelled. Certainly you would get something like, due to the current weather conditions, the event cannot take place. That actually made me think for a little bit. Did it make you think too? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, that's enough rambling, and I'll say my goodbye, and I also want to say that I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you, bye!